Smai gyda Williams o Byw Iach yma. Gobeithio bod chi'n mwynhau'r tywydd braf da ni'n cael hyn y bryd. A chi'n cymryd mantais o tywydd braf yn mynd allan a cadw'n ffit ac yn symud fel ydych chi'n neud sy'ch chi yn un o'n canolfanna ni. Reit, heddi yma, da ni'n mynd i gael sesiwn gweithio cyhyrau'r craidd, so'r core muscles. Da ni'n mynd i wneud 7 gweithgaredd gyd efo'i gilydd, ond dwi'n mynd i 3 opsiwn i chi rhan amser, dibynnu ar eich safon chi neu eich profiad chi. Opsiwn 1, ddech chi'n gweithio am 20 eiliad. Opsiwn 2, ddech chi'n gweithio am 35 eiliad. Opsiwn 3, ddech chi'n gweithio am 50 eiliad. Oce, so mae fyny chi pa un ddech chi'n dewis. Fe yna 7 gweithgaredd, cylchred o 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mae fyny chi sawl gwaith ddech chi'n wneud o. Gobeithio chi'n eli at o leia 2, ond chi sy'n fwy prifadol ewch at gwmpas tua 5. Oce, so, y 7 gweithgaredd dwi am wneud. Gynta, y plank. Yr ail, plank ar ei ochr, y side plank. Yn trydydd, dwi am wneud leg raises, sef codi'r coesa. Rhif 4, dwi am wneud reverse crunch. Rhif 5, dwi am wneud wipers. Rhif 6, da ni'n wneud back extensions, codi'r cefn, ac yn olaf, da ni'n wneud crunch kicks. Okay? Mwynhewch. Hi, Skitty Williams from Byw Iach here. Hope you're well and taking advantage of this fine weather we're having and exercising as often as possible. Today, we're going to be working on your core muscles. It's very, very important to work core muscles as they're the foundation of our body. We're going to have 3 options. You can work for 20 seconds, you can work for 35 seconds, or you can work for 50 seconds. It's up to you how many circuits you do. You can try and complete 2 circuits, 3 circuits, 4 circuits, depending on experience. Hope the less experienced work towards 2 to 3, the more experienced worked between 4 and 5 circuits. Okay, so here are the 7 exercises we'll be doing today. The first one is going to be the plank. The second one is going to be the side plank. The third is going to be leg raises. The fourth will be a reverse crunch. The fifth will be wipers. The sixth will be the back extension. And last but not least, the crunch kicks as number 7. Okay, enjoy.